welcome to App Mavericks. My name is Jeff Grosse and I'm a Salesforce MVP. Today I'm joined by David Kirk from CloudApps. These are the makers of SuMo. It's all about success through motivation. So to find out more about that, David, why don't you tell us a little bit more about what CloudApps does?
Hi Jeff, great to be with you here today. We work with a lot of successful sales managers and they consistently tell us three things. To run a good sales team, you need to keep a clean sales pipeline. You need to motivate your core performers to become top performers, and you need to be fanatical about your forecast accuracy. And that's exactly what we've built SuMo to do. SuMo is a 100% native app that will give you deep insight into the performance of your team. It'll help you engage, motivate and coach your core performers to be top performers, and it'll help you fine-tune your sales process.
You know, it seems like there's a lot of stuff involved in that because there's so many different moving parts. How do you motivate the right behaviors in people, and how do you also learn from lost deals? Because it seems like there's a lot to be learned from why we don't win deals. So tell me a little bit more about how you do that.
So SuMo helps you uncover those high-value winning behaviors that you want to motivate the core team to do. But SuMo also helps you find those careless behaviors, those things you know will slow you down. And SuMo is then in place to help you motivate people to do the high-value behaviors and avoid doing those careless behaviors.
Well, in order to do that, it sounds like you've got game mechanics and you've got gamification, which are buzzwords today that we're so used to hearing about. But tell me what that really means inside of SuMo and how you guys apply that to Salesforce.
So we start by helping you get your sales team engaged in the process. And we use simple things like progression bars, leaderboards. We've got a rich set of game mechanics in there. Armed with that information, your sales leaders can then coach the team to become better and do more of those high-value behaviors and avoid those careless behaviors.
So how do we turn that into real-life, real-world examples? Tell me about your customers and what they're seeing as success through using SuMo.
So we're working with Vodafone at the moment on a global project. And they know that when they want to increase their sales revenue, they have to do two things. First of all, they have to increase the general level of sales productivity. But second of all, they have to make the sales process more predictable. And that's what they're using SuMo for. They've seen some pretty impressive results. A 187% increase in sales productivity, 200 extra hours of customer contact time, and importantly, a 60% reduction in close lost opportunities.
Those results sound more than impressive to me, David. So let's see what it looks like inside of Salesforce. Can you show me a demo?
Sure thing, Jeff. I'll show you SuMo now. Welcome to SuMo. SuMo will help you drive sales success. So SuMo uses this behavioral information to predict if a deal will close. You can drill into this to make sure you have the right team working on a deal. And the guided selling makes success transparent. SuMo has a rich set of game mechanics to help you motivate your team, coaching them to adopt the winning behaviors. SuMo then helps you fine-tune your sales process. The insight drives out the coaching tips. The careless behaviors are called out, keeping everyone engaged. And the best time to execute the sales process is exposed, coaching everyone to success. The result of using SuMo will increase your sales success. You'll have a sales process that is now predictable, and you'll have high levels of sales productivity.
That was an awesome demo, David. I appreciate you showing me that. So where can people go to find out more information about CloudApps SuMo?
So visit us on the AppExchange or go to our website, www.cloudapps.com.
Thank you so much for joining us on App Mavericks today, David.
Thanks, Jeff. Appreciate it.